Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Granny Square Motif number 2. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. For this pattern, you're going to need at least 2 different colors of your choice. So to start off for round 1, you are going to chain 3 and then work 15 double crochets in the last chain, then join with a slip stitch, fasten off, and you'll end up grabbing your second color. So here we are joining with a slip stitch, and we are going to go supersonic speed and fasten off this yarn and grab our second color. So for this pattern, I am using a light pink to go with my blue, but you can honestly use whatever color you want. Alright, so now I am joining my pink yarn, and you want to start off by chaining 6, and you're going to skip the first double crochet, and then we're going to jump right into the repeat for this pattern. So you're going to skip that first double crochet, then you're going to work a double crochet in the next stitch, chain 3, and skip the following stitch and repeat. And you'll do this all the way around. So I've gone ahead and fastened off my pink yarn, and I'm going to switch back to the blue. The pink's only used for round 2. So here we are just joining the blue, and we're going to go ahead and jump into round 3. You're going to chain 3, and then you're going to work 4 double crochets in that chain 3 space. Then you'll follow this repeat all the way around of double crocheting in the next stitch, then 4 double crochets in the next chain 3 space. So again, the repeat is double crocheting in the next stitch, followed by 4 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, and you'll repeat that all the way around and then join with a slip stitch. Alright, so here we are just finishing off and joining with a slip stitch, and now we are going to start round 4. So to start off, you are going to chain 5, and then you're going to skip the next stitch. Now the repeat for this pattern is going to be single crocheting in the next stitch, chaining 4, and then skipping a stitch. And then you'll repeat that all the way around. So here we are just finishing off by joining with a slip stitch, and you're finished. That's how you do the Granny Square Motif number 2. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.